Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the process runs smoothly. Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone and your Mac, and enable iMessage in Settings on the phone and in the Messages app on the computer. Once done, make sure both devices are online, preferably the same Wi-Fi network for continuity features, because the system links messages to that account. Now open Messages on the Mac and wait for account sync. This is the first actionable step you need to see incoming texts. Once Messages is open on the Mac, continue by enabling text message forwarding from your iPhone so SMS also appears on the computer. Go to Settings, Messages, Text Message Forwarding, and toggle your Mac, then watch for code on the Mac. You must enter that code on the iPhone to verify the link. Also check Send and Receive settings on both devices to ensure the same phone number and email addresses are selected, because matching addresses determine which conversations appear where. To finish, use the Messages app on your computer like you do on the phone. Compose new messages, search history, pin conversations, and add attachments or reactions. Dictation can speed typing. When something goes wrong, sign out of Messages on the Mac and sign back in, or reboot both devices. This often forces a resync. If problems persist, verify iCloud status and your network connection, because authentication or connectivity issues are the most common causes of missing messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.